Hello and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Bella Nicole and I'm a designer for Designs by Bella Nicole. I'm also a makeup artist and lifestyle blogger. In today's video, we're traveling into the gorgeous Texas Hill Country to Chateau de Chasses. The Chateau de Chasses is nestled in the beautiful Texas Hill Country. The architecture is absolutely enchanting. The castle has a drawbridge, a moat, and even a dungeon. Now that that's been said, let's take a look inside. As you walk in, the setting is relaxed and serene, with beautiful panoramic views. It's always an amazing experience to have a wine tasting, but to actually see the winemakers on the castle grounds from Spain was truly remarkable. Chateau de Chasses has incredible entertaining spaces where you can have private parties and you can even host them in the dungeon. A special thank you goes out to Tana for her exceptional customer service and to our tour guide, Joji, who made it absolutely amazing. Next, let's go outside and check out these beautiful views of the Texas Hill Country. Their beautiful and open patio allows you to see the castle turrets and enjoy your wine in the fresh air. I can only imagine how the stars would look outside. Let's go back inside for one more look. I honestly did not want to leave. This is just absolutely stunning. This concludes our tour. I hope you had an amazing time. I absolutely love hanging out with you. If you love wine tours as much as I do, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for the notifications. Until next time, peace and love.